Before we can build games, apps, or artificial intelligence, we need a way to communicate with computers. Computers only understand machine instructions. Python is a programming language that allows humans to write instructions in a simple and readable form. Python then translates those instructions into actions the computer can perform. Today, Python is widely used in software development, data science, machine learning, automation, robotics, and education. It is one of the most beginner-friendly programming languages in the world. To write Python programs, we need two tools. The first tool is Python itself. It contains the Python interpreter that executes our code. The second tool is a code editor. A popular choice is Visual Studio Code, often called VS Code. The editor helps us write, organize, and run programs efficiently. Once both are installed, we have a complete Python development environment. Our first Python program contains a single instruction. The function print displays information on the screen. The text inside quotation marks is called a string. When we run the program, Python executes the instruction. The result appears in the terminal window. This simple program demonstrates the complete programming process. We write code. Python executes it. The computer produces output. Programs often need to remember information. Variables provide a way to store data in memory. A variable consists of a name and a value. The equal sign assigns a value to the variable. When Python encounters a variable name, it retrieves the stored value from memory. Variables allow information to be reused throughout a program. Choosing good variable names is an important programming skill. A variable name should clearly describe the information it stores. Python allows letters, numbers, and underscores. However, variable names cannot begin with a number. They also cannot contain spaces or reserved Python keywords. Good naming improves readability and makes programs easier to maintain. Python includes built-in support for mathematics. The plus operator performs addition. The minus operator performs subtraction. The asterisk operator performs multiplication. The / performs division. These operations allow programs to calculate scores, positions, physics simulations, statistics, and much more. Variables and mathematics are often used together. Python first reads the current value stored in coins. It adds 5 to that value. The new result is then stored back into the variable. This process is called updating a variable. It is commonly used for game scores, health points, inventory counts, and financial calculations. In this project, we combine everything learned so far. We store information using variables. We perform mathematical calculations. And we display results using print statements. This workflow represents the foundation of real software development. Every larger application is built from these same fundamental ideas.